I'm happy to see you today. My mom asked me to go outside to come to explore some nature, like some I Spy About Spring. The reason why it looks different is because I'm at my grandma's house right now, and I hope you enjoy. Okay. Well, I can feel I still don't see anything, Cindy. But I hope you tell me if you miss anything, and then you can video back and ask me. As you hear some sign of spring, Cindy, light, grass. Cindy, here's another sign of spring. There's another one. We have a lot of plants at our grandma's house, so that's why. So Cindy, I miss you so much, and I hope I could see you again and miss my whole class. I love you, bye.